Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start getting approved for credit cards with Credit Karma, full guide step by step clearly. To start getting approved for credit cards with Credit Karma, first, create a Credit Karma account. Visit the Credit Karma website or download the app. Provide the necessary personal information such as your name, address, and social security number. Verify your identity by answering security questions related to your financial history. Once registered, log in to your Credit Karma account. Navigate to the credit cards section in the main menu. Review your credit score, which is displayed prominently on your dashboard. Understand that a higher credit score increases your chances of approval. Explore the credit card recommendations tailored to your profile. Carefully read through the details of each card. Check the approval odds indicated by Credit Karma for each card option. Consider factors such as annual fees, interest rates, and rewards. Select a credit card that aligns with your financial goals. Click on the card to view detailed information and apply. Fill out the application form by providing any additional required information. Review the application to ensure all details are accurate. Submit your application and await the response from the credit card issuer. Check your email or Credit Karma account for updates on your application status. If approved, follow the instructions to activate your new credit card. Start using your card responsibly to build your credit history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.